inkosi ziyelela siya phambili ngoqikelela lana wethu sadleba uzomela sirongo sicula inyongo sistrong sebecula inkosi ziyelela siya phambili ngoqikelela lana wethu sadleba uzoyimela sirongo sicula inyongo sistrong
makhokhisana namele uwazile ndlela isende ngizokufaka eplus khona ubone nginhlobo nikapende rap onesibindi la kimi ngimnika ibranding skill otop siveza mina mothola umrap odindilisile achu ngiyabakhathaza flow double rhyme nangepunch bangafakazi yithi siphethe laba sibiza nangenkinsela ndumisane 46 bayazini ikansela yena kubo like igciwane empinchi yithi sibeka yelo gcina singomajiyane empinchi dala sayiqala ngabo do re mi fa sol la ti do phikisana ngesifazo amagama amnandi aphuma kulelimi lami Obama no Martin Luther King ngimnyi1 ndaba na Foster ngapha niphushana nenkani ngona ngibiza nomfundi amana ntshele yekani kasi rap bitches gonna get stitches lento iphethwe yimi and angifundi next pinchi mele nenze showmaniza kimi albim ngoba ngizonibonisa amasimba qeda ukunrap ikimbi fuck it deep so wethu na every member I'm the West Nightmare they all need to remember we just two bars bonke ngebathusa abasaba nokungitutsa king uyakula
sebecula inkosi ziyelela siya phambili ngoqikelela lana wethu sadleba uzomela sirongo sicula inyongo sistrong sebecula inkosi ziyelela siya phambili ngoqikelela lana wethu sadleba uzoyimela sirongo sicula inyongo sistrong
Chaka, Naki Koti, and I don't even start. I cut that blue ribbon cause I know which side of my braid to bat. I get how lyrically by Yas Bonkes Nabatata, Nalo Seven Abamengaya behind them, a buzz in parts. I shoot it, Nega Bang Mele, Masangala so. Auditi aggregate, no, with Meles cover a score. And like a Zikon swim bully part and Klalangisho call. But lazy new school, so I got a coil at the highest goal. And like a Shiak Lenga cow, you get Luglandele, Rosobanjang in Batlanjing and Tuan is Hatwa Super. My end, I'm outside for any time on Funa. If you think you'll weather the storm, was a pamba. I mean, I keep on proving I'm a son of a gun. And I nyege ngobang medilang eliwan. And puming shis and jinging kanil and bullet eliwan. And puming at intuan and running to vutse man is coco. Hey, what's why mean is cooping is poboza. Si fusimi moya yellows, it's tornado gamandos and in tambendega line. Money stamina when I cross and I nyege back pepe or be tawula dala balfonza. Naman, just a piggy son and I'm a posa. Bafunugun coach cause by a bonang say shosholos. Nyakon kotsung ang logota mafunu pendugum lot. Saknam koti wok ngoba nenyoka nyahlokoloza
sebecula inkosi ziyelela siya phambili ngoqikelela lana wethu sadleba uzoyimela sirongo sicula inyongo sebecula inkosi ziyelela siya phambili ngoqikelela lana wethu sadleba uzoyimela sirongo sicula inyongo sistrong
it was no beef it was for you to go and notice mele ukhuphula amasokisi kuze kuvaleke ibotris get off your high horse that's what reply boss mthembeni ukushintsha igama kwenza taxify boss you said I'm obsessed I'm trying to think who the fuck are you Nicki Minaj or Jennifer Lopez I'll fuck you up raw sex uhlale wazi I'll never be obsessed to a bitch with no ass siphathisa ngobuthongo boy I'm trying to school you but ngiyabona ikhanda gcwele ubulongo boy fake ass nongoloza gcwele amasimba ngathi uqeda keep inyongo boy you know I switch it up let it beat ya rip it up you gon' filming a skill some and I kill it so easy son my flow's amazing like Kendrick Corbin the blaze and I can't be closed in a cage and I get applause when I'm lacing my shit nigga it's me, myself and I, man. Ulochi kwangitshela ukuthi bombulalisa uthwayi wena. Uyisinayi wena. Njenge lockdown level 5 ugela kuwe beka uthola skasi ugwayi man. Uphethe ikhodi ne? Or istava ke? Ngona ngibuza ujisweke. Maybe uyacava yena. Cause ulogic bomdepress amakhiphi underband ungitshela ukuthi usha ngenkawuze ntwana edlala like under 10. You featured me on your album. Now everybody know what was the outcome. Play ngoma wasaba nokufaka iverse nigga I'm waiting for your response best ngidumisi hash nigga Chada King shout out Stash nigga each and every day is country cash nigga Why every MC on some dope shit Why every MT got a small dick
What country you from? What ain't no country I ever heard of? They speak English and well
Him and the West man him and the Wack Hambo senzela ikwayiti uyekela ikasi rap Ringa amasimba uvuke phara semzini It's unfair ngilone siphakame yesipharaplegic Uzobona umagic Ngifake scale u-own umetric Uthonele acid yodlayo boy uthole unesing Only you hate it but you work your lines are old and now weak Bhekane nentunama uqobo boy my flow is tragic I'll fuck you up and ngidinga umatras ngiyambona ngathi ngicwele inyongo ngidinga imbiza masana lento enibhemayo shola ifaswa ngerizla masana now is freestyle clear waba kubiza umadrugs asingivaka kuwe ngifere ngeskili you trash and you weak awunane flow nevocab dizi uweki lo sisi akayekele rap ngespeed I'm about to fuck him up hard kuze ngene nempintshi nginitshela nginfeel maniphakama nginidedele 6 ngingenele kini ngenduku nize niteleke kini nginidelele mini ngevitri lap ngishelele ngwini I got a bigger fish to fry ngiphaphelwa isardines always bitching you know how blood tastes kasi rap is my house you better off being a strat mate it's not a fair fight you and I'm about to kill this pussy give him a dignified funeral